There are many reasons dental implants can fail. At North Shore Smile Surgery, we do several things to minimize the risk of complications and failures. So dental implants is a surgical procedure just like any medical surgical procedure. And it's important to get a good diagnosis so that you can have the right treatment options. And to get a good diagnosis, we use a lot of advanced technology. We use 3D x-rays, we use digital impressions, and with that we can merge that together and do a virtual surgery. So we can evaluate the bone, the nerve position, the sinus position, and determine the most ideal treatment for each patient and customize it for each patient. A lot of dentists and surgeons will take shortcuts and try not to bone graft. Of course, we always want to minimize expenses for our patients, but skipping bone grafting when it's necessary can end up in a result that is less predictable, doesn't last as long, maybe doesn't feel as natural. So by using this technology, we can identify when grafting, the number of implants, the position of the implant will give us the optimal outcome. Another critical component to minimizing dental implant failures is maintenance. You wouldn't buy a new car and not change the oil, and it's just important to do maintenance on your implant. You're going to have chewing miles, just like driving miles, and you wouldn't want to chew and use your implant without taking care of parts and pieces and doing the maintenance. With proper maintenance, implants can last a very, very long time. Experience is critical when selecting a dental surgery to minimize failure. They say it takes 10,000 hours to be an expert. I would suggest choose a surgeon that has at least 10,000 implant experience. There are so many things that happen during the surgery. You can make minor differences or recognize different tissue quality, bone volume, and it's very challenging to replace the value of experience when placing dental implants. As an oral surgeon, we have years of training beyond dental school. We do our training in a hospital setting. We deal with major trauma, significant infections, some major reconstruction as well. In reality, dental implants is one of the simplest surgeries that we do. And so as an oral surgeon, bringing that experience to each patient is critical and also will help minimize the risk of failures in the long run. To make your implants last a long time, you want to interview your surgeon. Make sure they're not taking any shortcuts. Make sure they're using quality, well-known dental implant, using a lab that is known for their high quality. Make sure they're doing grafting when it's needed and customizing the plan for you. You want to make sure you have a surgeon who has a lot of experience with dental implants, that it's a regular procedure that they do all the time. And you want to take some ownership and make sure you're doing your maintenance and you keep maintaining ideal medical and dental health. If you do all these things, dental implants may last a lifetime.